Yeah, man, this me I tell you get to youth them for do. Plant up your earth, get to youth. Don't waste no time, don't idle. You get what me I say? Put food in the earth. You see me? Yeah, man, that's what you can reap and put food in the mouth. You get what me I say? As you can see this, you can see say it a beer. Me not have to ask. Look how it green and pretty. Eh? Just look at the beauty of it. Eh? I just feel like I want to go scratch a little part and see if it really a beer. You get what me I say? Yeah, man. You know, so when you hear one woman and the man a cuss, me a man, the woman tell the man, say, yo, you know, so me a boil like a potato bug you because you're too wild. But watch out now, I'm not busy with that. And this me I deal with. I just feel like I want to go scratch one little part. Just to see what I go on. I just want to see what I go on in my farm. Yeah, sir. How we root there? Okay, this is the root. See the root, huh? Big old root. Alright, make us see what I go on. Make us see what I go on TikTok. Make us see what I go on. Make us see what I go on now. Me box cover. Me box cover. See it? One little scratch. And I don't even have to scratch no more. I'm not scratching anymore. I got sweet potato. Thank the Lord at all times. You understand? If it wasn't the Lord, this wouldn't come. You understand? Yeah, and this plant with love. I mean, my wife planted. You get what I say? Yeah, see that big old sickening in the ground. And I'm not reaping it as yet. You know what? As a matter of fact, I'm going to just cover it up back because I don't want the rat to smell it and come eat it. You get me? Peace out.